recording. Okay, I'm recording now. Alright. So, my boy Tank, why don't you show one of your textures first? Luffy D Mookie. Show one of your mechs! Y'all can't hear him right now, but he's fantasizing over how good this mech is in PvP. I have mechs that are like 3 times this guy's size, and I still can't beat him. That's how OP it is. Here, let me show y'all a preferred mech of mine. I call this the Mochi Mochi Nomi. Shut up, Tank. I didn't ask. Okay. So basically, how it works, you take this, wait, which one goes to where again? I forget how I did this. Oh, there you go. Wait. Tank, move your mech. Move your mech now. Tank, I'm gonna need you to move your mech, please. See, you wasted one of my engines. Move, mech. Now I'm gonna slap you. Oh, that is it. You wanna go? Mochi, mochi, mochi. Mochi, mochi. What if? Wait. Ooh. What if I put the spikes blocks on this? I don't have any money though, so I can't purchase a spike block. I don't even have 20. Ooh. Never mind. Okay. Mochi, 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 mochi. Look. I can extend it. Hold on. Hey, don't shoot my mochi, mochi. Oh. Okay. Hey. No. Okay. Wait, hold on, let me turn up my graphics. Where? Which team? Hello? Which team do you think has a mech? Alright. Now, guys, in case you all ever wanted an Atom from Real Steel into Buildable, well, I built one. Incredibly detailed, so you're not the Tank, what are you doing? Okay. Bro, you sure he's still doing damage to you? Yeah, he just took your leg off, my boy. Oh. If you hear me talking to no one through the video, it's because you can't hear my friend, but he's talking as well. So this is Adam. Don't ask how long I spent on this. I probably, okay, if you are asking yourselves right now, I probably spent like 5 hours straight building this, no breaks. You see, as soon as I got done with the legs, you know, very detailed, very beautiful. You took off your arm? What? Oh, wow. Anyways, yeah, you guys could tell as soon as I got up to the legs, I kind of just started to copy and paste things in. I mean, it still looks decent. I mean, there's no other atoms on Roblox besides this one that's pretty good. So I thought I might share with you. How do you control it, Yak? Well, I do not have a cake, but I have the special way that if, I'll just make that another video. This is how I control, bro. My textures are messed up. What? That's okay. Look. I don't... Good ragdolling. That's how you tell if it's good mech or not. Now, I have a mecha team leader and a mecha strike commander. The mecha team lead strike commander is just like a edited version of mecha team leader that me and my friends helped on. I want to give a shout out to Loaf Studio. If y'all know him, he's from ACM. I'm pretty sure. Well, he used to be part of ACM. Did he use it? I don't know, but I think he's in ACM. Anyways, he's a very good developer. He's a good friend of mine. He helped me build one of the mechanisms on this, but everything else I kind of did on my own, besides the beam and the little blue thing here. I'll explain that in a second. Oh yeah, this is my friend's. I don't think many people will see this, but you know, once they're both finished loading, let me know in the comment section which one is better, because I kind of think my friend Tank's here is better. The attention to detail is just insane, but I think mine is more focused on mechanic and usefulness more than actual technology. Well, I mean, Tank's is still really good, but mine is cool. Watch. I forgot how this works. I haven't done this in a while. So I'm pretty oh. Yeah, I tried making a homing missile. That didn't work out so well. It was, I mean, it kind of worked, but it not in the way I wanted. Look, I'm in the command seat, and also, I specially designed this mech so that you can use it in first person, as you can see here. If you go to the target mode, he also opens. I know it's tiny, my boy. I'm trying. Anyways. I'm gonna kill you. Anyways. So here's the little tutorial on how to put a butter block. If you don't have a cake, put a butter block right here, a butter block right here. Then just keep putting it right there until you connect it to the wall. Shut up, Tank. People don't have cakes. This is a good way of helping them. Anyways, you delete the bottom block. You jump. Place a block there. Oh crap. Make sure you have a jetpack and then unanchor it. I haven't played this game in a while, so I think that's how you do it. Yep. Oh crap. Wait, what's wrong? Why is it stuck here? Hold on, Tank. Hold on! Hold on! Okay. What's stuck? What's stuck? Oh, that. Alright, Tank, before we kill why is my arm like that? Okay. Before we kill each other, go to that side and turn on PvP mode. We're gonna fight. No. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Isolation mode. Got you. Alright. So, this is how the mech runs in first person. You would activate this, and I would activate everything. So, first we're gonna have a run in first person, then we're gonna have a run in third person. Alright, Tank? Sorry, first person run. Go. Go, wanna fight? Fight. Where am I? Oh! No, I will not undergo this mockery. Yeah, and that's why you don't use it for first person. I mean, I kind of designed it to be that way, but it doesn't work so well. What is? Yeah, you slapped me very, very hard, so now I'm gonna have to return the favor. Slashing attack! Oh, come on! Ugh. Come on, come down. Don't be be afraid. I don't care. I'm gonna smack you. Oh! No, you really? I gotta amputate my leg. It's gonna glitch me out. Amputated. For what? Ching bong ching. It's not racist. You told me to translate what you said. Oh, I didn't know. Maybe that's why you're so good at building. Tank, guess what? Justice reigns from above! What? Yo, no, get out! Get away! Get away! Uh-oh. Goodbye! Alright, now we're gonna load the really wanted Mecha Team Leader. Now, not a lot of people have been able to recreate Mecha Team Leader due to their building skills, and even I know that mine is not the best one. I think mine is pretty bad compared to everyone else's, but it's better than some, in my opinion. So, here, Tank. This is a kid-friendly channel. Get that out of here. Thank you. Okay. No! Oh, okay. Yeah, you better say sorry. We demonetize you, my boy. Tank, please stop. I don't care. Anyways, this was one of my first this was one of my first builds. This was like my very second build. Yes, I know it's very good. The reason why there's no arm on the T-Rex hand is because that was problematic. No 3. What does that mean? What's that supposed to mean? Okay. So as you can see, I took a lot of time to design the sword. You know, the sword is very nice. It's very detailed. You know, like the little statue at the end. I don't know. I like it. First person view. Bro, that's the normal part. You have to like time it. It's like Flappy Bird almost. There you go. This is the first view perspective. Little buttons here. I'm planning to do something else with this mech. I just don't know what. No, I'm not gonna delete it, Tank. Alright. Well, this video is already like 13, almost 14 minutes long. So I think I'm gonna just end it here. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but you know, it's like alright. Yeah, I'm probably gonna make a part 2. Alright. Comment in the section if you'd like part 2. Part 2. Bye.